To understand what I'm trying to say. Confused. Let me, if you want me to repeat. Yeah, what I'm trying to say is like Pega has given these kind of formats for a button. See, I have open buttons for buttons. It has given some standard categories, see standard button. Looks like this. You can say preview here, simple button. Click on simple. Simple. Also simple looks like this, there is no borders. Actually. Strong button looks like this is strong, but you understand the difference. In primary thing. Yes, what's that see? Standard looks like this, there is no. That background. Blue color is not there, but strong there is some blue color, background is the blue color and text is of white color, but of standard. Background is a white color, text is of blue color. Okay, and there are few buttons. Are there? Suppose you are thinking like I need a strong kind of button. Your application is Bank of America. Let's assume your application is Bank of America. Bank of America, how Bank of America websites look like. It will be in red and blue. Right, Bank of America will be having red and blue. See this login button. It is of red color. Right, login button is of red color. Now you are thinking that my application must have this red color buttons everywhere. Like, every strong button must be red color button. You are assuming. Okay, that is how business-like. Given a requirement, like my buttons must be red color because my logos and all using this color fog in this color coding, so my button has to be in that particular color. Then what you will do? You can either create a new button format and you can specify everything, border height, background padding, everything you can specify, or else you can take any existing one, save this existing one to with a new name, some strong to all anything, and you can change this background color itself by again unnecessarily changing everything by need to configure everything. You just change the background color. You understand what I'm trying to say. You can create your own thing. Or you can use the one thing, you can create your own thing, or you can use the existing one Pega even one, or you can save the Pega given one and make a modification as you like. Okay, got it right. Yes, see, if you selected, you specify states, either you can use your, see every business. You. By seeing with our eye, will see. This is some kind of red only, right? But this particular red will be having some kind of color coding. How you can find that? You can find it through the inspect element. You can find the color coding. If you have selected this particular Visa card, you can see some color coding will be there for every color you will be seeing. See left margin. Right margin, padding width. You can see right. Similarly, somewhere you can get the color coding from here. Also inspect element you can do and you can get the color coding of this particular thing. Okay, that color, you can give it here, that color. You know the color number. You can do the color number directly. Generally business will give you. Okay, whenever the initial stage of skin is getting developed, at that point of time they will specify the exact color coding because the application itself displays the colors. Right, there should not be any single change also on that color, so they will mention you exact specific colors. Or else you can choose your own colors, customize and you can select the colors and the second, the intensity. You can control it from here. Any questions on skin rule? Skin is again a different kind of rule you can do. This is a very good one. What I'm trying to say. You understand it. Either you can use the existing button standard formats, or you can create one, your new standard format, from add new style, or you can save as from the existing one and make modifications like save as, in the sense you open one existing one, you open one existing one. Okay, this is a primary swipe action. This is how it looks like. You click on action, you save as this one with a different name, and you can just modify this one so that you need not specify this, a length, width and all. You understand it, what I'm trying to say.